Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Wilson Combat, and this is somewhat of a hybrid. It's a Wilson Combat with a twist, if you will. This is a Wilson Combat Classic, but it has some hints that came from the Tactical Elite, from the Wilson Combat Tactical Elite. Now this particular 1911 doesn't belong to me, it belongs to my friend Bill. So thank you very much, Bill, for letting me use this pistol for the review. And Bill also owns the Walther SSP, that very special competition pistol that I featured on the channel before. Taking a look at this Wilson Combat, it comes, of course, from the factory with a normal Wilson Combat bag. So very nice bags, range bag. One thing I wanted to show you was, to start off, is that it comes with a test target. And this is at 15 yards, so very accurate pistol. But what I wanted to show you is what they've done, just regular folks, you and me, good shooters of course, but this was at 20 yards, 3 shots offhand, and then this in 2017, this was at 10 yards, 3 shots offhand, with Winchester White Box. So, of course, a tremendously accurate pistol. The pistol has been safety checked. It's got a Wilson Combat mag and a snap cap in it right now. But just so you know, the pistol has been safety checked. The reason this is a bit of a hybrid is Bill bought it at the Wilson Combat site, and it came the way you see it except for the grips. He upgraded the grips because originally it came with a wood Wilson Combat with a Wilson Combat medallion, and then he put the VZ grips with a Wilson Combat logo on them. But other than that, the way you see it is the way it came from the factory. He says he's got about 6,000 rounds in it, through it, and as you can see, the pistol still looks brand new. It's got a bit of an older look. It's got the older Wilson Combat writing on the slide. The new one has more of a block writing on it. Wilson Combat on both sides with the VC grips. And it's available in 45 ACP. This particular one is in 45 ACP, but you can also order it in 10mm, 40 Smith & Wesson, 38 Super, and 9mm. And Wilson Combat, basically, according to your budget, they can do whatever you want. It comes in 45 ACP. It comes with a mag of 8 rounds, and it's a Wilson Combat mag. Very nice, very reliable. It's got a 5-inch barrel. It's got an overall length of 8.7 inches. The sight radius is 6.9 inches. The height on it is going to come in at 5.6 inches. And the width is coming in at 1.3 inches. Now, if you want the weight loaded, it's going to be at 46.6. It also comes with an accuracy guarantee of 1 inch at 25 yards. I can tell you I cannot do that, but they can. Starting at the top, the sights are blacked out target sights in the rear that are serrated, and in the front, it's got a gold bead. Let's see if the camera will catch that. See how close I can get. There you go. They're dovetailed, so they're adjustable. The rear sight is fully adjustable. And that is your picture right there, your sight picture. See if it'll catch the front again. There it is. So that's your sight picture right there. And the slide is very clean at the front. It's got nice serrations in the back. They're not very positive. They're not aggressive whatsoever, but they do the job. Wilson Combat logo towards the back of the slide. Skeletonized hammer with texture in the front. The frame is a full-size frame. It's all carbon steel. It's got a high cut under the trigger guard, so you can get a really nice grip on the pistol, high up like this. I have medium-sized hands, and this fits me absolutely perfect. The VC grips give you a very, very, very nice grip on the pistol. It's not going to go anywhere. The beaver tail is an extended beaver tail, and it's part of their bulletproof line of, not accessories, but controls. It's got the safety in the back, and it's you can see everything is just fit absolutely perfectly. The safety, it just requires minimal pressure, and it engages very nicely. The mag release button is positive. It does his work very well. It just, I mean, look at this thing. It ejects them out of there beautifully, even upside down. If I can do this on camera. Look at that upside down. Just very nice. And even with medium-sized hands, I can reach it no problem without changing my grip. It's got a skeletonized trigger, regular 1911 controls. They're in this particular pistol, they're not reversible or ambi. So sorry for the lefties. Let you look at the left side of the pistol. There's going to be no shooting of this one. It's not my pistol, and ammo is very difficult to find right now. The trigger is coming in at 3.5 pounds, maybe 3 3/4 pounds. Let's put the snap cap in there. And here we go. We are engaging the trigger, and that's it. There you're at the wall. And you feel nothing. I mean, it's just beautiful. And then a little bit of pressure, and it goes. Very, very nice. Show you that again. Little pressure, you're right there. And it goes. Beautiful, beautiful trigger on this 1911. The slide, like I mentioned, is 5-inch, and it's also carbon steel. It's got a full-length guide rod. Now it's going to eject the carbon steel. It's going to eject the snap cap. But what I wanted to tell you how it's kind of a hybrid is because it is the classic, but it comes with a heavy flange barrel. And the heavy flange barrel by Wilson Combat, it usually is included in the Tactical Elite. Let the focus catch up. So this is the classic, but with the flange barrel, the heavy flange barrel from the Tactical Elite. This was not special ordered that way. Bill bought it this way from the Wilson Combat website, so that's the way it was offered. So that's why on the teaser I said, on Instagram I said, Wilson Combat Classic with a twist. It's because of the flange barrel. It also has a magwell, as you can see here. It's not much of a magwell, but it's enough of a magwell. And with a gold beaded gold sight at the front, gold bead sight at the front, those three things, this barrel, the beaded sight, the gold, and the magwell, those are options that usually are found on the Tactical Elite, not on the Wilson Combat Classic. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick look at the Wilson Combat Classic with a twist. Thank you, Bill, for letting me use your pistol for this review. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts on this pistol? I appreciate you stopping by, and please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning, and when I can on Wednesday mornings, and I've become very active on my Instagram account. If you'd like to see what's coming down the pipeline, that is the best place to stop by and check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, God bless.